Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you a super quick and easy way of decorating frozen cupcakes. When you spend as much time as I did on this cake, you need a quick and easy one as well. I'm starting off with Italian meringue buttercream. You really don't need to pipe it in that fancy rosette like I did. You just put the frosting on and then you dip it into your sprinkle mixture. After you've dipped it into that mixture, then you're going to pipe a beautiful swirl on top. Now, I always start from the center and then I work my way out and then I pipe up. Then you're going to put some edible rocks on top or whatever you like that is nice and frosty looking or reminds you of Frozen. I'm also going to be putting on some snowflake quinns as well. I found all of these different types of sprinkles at my local cake shop, but you can pretty much find these anywhere, even online. You don't have to do this part, but I'm just taking my silver airbrush and I'm airbrushing the top of those rocks. In person, it looks a lot more silver. It's actually kind of showing up a little bit greeny on this screen. I got these little picks from a Party City store, but I actually saw these a lot at different cake hobby stores. There's really not too much finesse or skill needed to make these cupcakes, but you do want to make sure that when you're pressing the sprinkles in that you don't do it too hard because you don't want your cupcake to break, and you want to make sure that you get good coverage on all ends. I think I made about 18 cupcakes, and it does take quite a lot of sprinkles to make sure that you have the proper coverage. I think I used around 200 to 300 grams worth. The little Anna and Elsa picks also came with the wrapper that goes around the bottom of the cupcake. Now the pricing for this is really straightforward. If people wanted to order those custom picks and wrap from me, they would have to bring it to me. And for the stock order, I would charge a little bit cheaper, $3.50 per cupcake. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!